Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair a Dyson Air Purifier / Air Cooler with Android smartphone app. To do this, first you will need to download an app called My Dyson, and you can find it on the Google Play Store. Then when it's downloaded, open the app, create an account or log into already existing one, and you should see something like this. Then we can click on add a machine, and also before that, because I think it should find my device automatically, if you can't find your device, then click and hold power button on your machine. It's located above a display, and hold it until you see the Wi-Fi sign on that display. After that, you should be able to connect with your machine and hold your device as close as possible to it. Okay, so now we need to press on the power button on our machine, and the pairing process should be finished in a few seconds. We can continue the setup, connect our Dyson with the Wi-Fi network. I'm going with a 2.4 band Wi-Fi. I think 5G is available, but just in case I'm going to go with 2.4. Now we can enter the password for that Wi-Fi network. Now we can select the room. Select the date where we purchased our machine. And your machine will automatically receive new updates. If you want to turn off auto updates, you can find it in the settings inside the app. And here we have it, our machine is successfully paired with the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.